everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how beginners can get the Ghostfin Rod for free in Visit Roblox. First, you need to complete a mission inside the Lost Isle, and to enter Lost Isle you must have a diving gear because the entire island is located underwater. Just buy it. You can buy it from Fisherman Island or from the small island near Lost Isle. It costs 7,500 coins, so make sure you have enough before you go. Next, just use your boat and travel to the Lost Isle locations like this. And once you arrive, just open item and tap your character avatar like this and equip your diving gear. Now just dive down into the ocean like this and then keep swimming until you find the underwater rooms. There's a treasure room in the deeper area like this. Just like this. And then another room with the Sisyphus Statue. That statue room contains the missions that reward for the Ghostfin Rod on this room, like this. Just follow the mission step until you finish them. And one important trick, you must catch a secret fish, and this usually weighs around 100,000, so your route must support that weight. And okay, that's how you can get the Ghostfin Rod as a beginner. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!